Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. Nice igniting bar on LITECOIN, pulling back to the key gain level 272. Finally poking up above that level we've been watching for, the 62.5% retracement from the highs on the 18th of December back to the lows on the 22nd. That's the upper end of our GAN rotation zone. We want to see above that. It's now returned to the prior breakout zone. You see here it was all support, all support. Now it's finding some support again there. We also have the rising rotation zone. So we want to see us get rotating back up and then get backing above this level. One of the reasons I wanted to show out why we don't target highs and lows, why we target closes, especially for the end of clear path moves. You can see here where the high was. It hit this close right here, which was the end of a clear path move. Just wanted to point that out. A lot of people talk about highs and lows. We really focus on the closes because they have much more weight, especially as target areas. So on a move back above this 306, we're then looking to this prior resistance area and a gain level 321. Then above that, we also have another gain level tying in with a prior breakdown of 334. So that's the next target's higher. Then if we get above that, then the next major target we're going to be watching for is about 360. Now we have to hold really above this rotation zone, so we're going to be watching to make sure that we don't get an extended move below about this 263 level. If we get pullback here, get an extended move, and especially close below that and below the 21 EMA right now, then we'll be watching for another bigger pullback. And then the key support is going to come in probably around 240. So that's what we'll be looking at. Let's check in on the daily chart. So you see now the rotation went flat. Now it's expanding. Sort of a nice igniting bar. Formed a higher low here. We've now made a higher high than this one. So this is a little more bullish price action. And we have the first cross rotation zone right pulling back here. So there's that major support coming in on the daily chart, especially around this 250 level now. Switching over to Ripple. Ripple's now made a slightly lower high than this other one. We still need to see if it can hold this rotation zone. Really watching for it to hold about the 260 level and turn back up. The rotation zone is pretty flat here. Like to see it get into this GAN rotation zone to the upper end. It's really got to break above this 290 level before we start getting more bullish on Ripple again. That would be the upper end of the GAN rotation zone, and we have a really nice cluster about 290 to 291. So watch for that. That's what we're watching for. If this does pull back again, we're watching for the first level support about 244 and the second level support about 232. Looking at the daily on that, the major support at that 232, which was a 50 EMA on the 4-hour, also comes in right about the 8 on the daily. So if this does pull back, that's where you'll be watching for major support. And that's what we're looking for if there's a bottoming pattern or a reversal pattern there. If not, we'll be looking for the turn back up here and then getting above that 274 level to then attack this 290 level. So we have for you on Litecoin and Ripple, and we will talk to you again soon. Bye for now.